Welcome! Today, you'll learn how to answer everyday questions naturally with this simple cheat sheet. How's your day going?
It's going pretty well. I've been a bit busy, but nothing too stressful.
How have you been?
I've been good, thanks. Just taking things one day at a time.
What have you been up to lately?
Mostly work and family stuff. Nothing too exciting, but I've been keeping busy.
How's everything going?
Everything's going okay. I've just had a lot going on recently.
How was your weekend?
It was pretty relaxing. I didn't do much, but it was nice to slow down.
How has your day been so far?
It's been pretty good so far. I've had a few things to do, but it's been okay.
What was the best part of your day?
Probably having a quiet moment to relax. The day's been quite busy.
What made your day busy?
I had a lot of little things to finish, and they all took longer than expected.
How do you usually feel at the end of the day?
I usually feel a bit tired, but happy when I've got things done.
What do you normally do after a long day?
I usually slow down, have dinner, and try to relax.
What did you get up to on the weekend?
I mostly stayed home, caught up on a few things, and spent time with family.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually do some housework, relax a bit, and maybe go out if I have time.
What's your ideal weekend like?
My ideal weekend is simple. Good food, some rest, and no rushing around.
What do you like doing on a quiet weekend?
I like staying home, watching something light, and getting some proper rest.
What makes a weekend feel good?
A weekend feels good when I can relax and still get a few things done.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually get ready, have something to eat, and start my day slowly.
How do you normally start your day?
I normally start with a shower and a few quiet minutes before things get busy.
What's your morning routine like?
It's pretty simple. I get ready, check what I need to do, and then start work.
What helps you feel ready in the morning?
A calm start helps me a lot. I don't like rushing first thing in the morning.
How do your mornings usually feel?
Most mornings feel a bit busy, but I try to keep them simple.
Practice this a few times and repeat the answers out loud. You'll start answering everyday questions more naturally.